So hello guys, how are you? So today it was a very nice day for the trading and it was the expanded typical day. So let's go and analyze the market, what happened today and what we have to look for the tomorrow. So in the morning, market opened at the 31,304. 31,304. If you are looking for the Bank Nifty spot on the trading website, then I clearly told you in a Telegram channel or anywhere else that kindly look for the actual market opening from the Zerodha or any of your broker. So this one is the low. This is the day's low. Market open and immediately it made this low and immediately it reversed on the higher side. So I have made entry in this 920 candle. I shared the screenshot of my trade. I also tried to enter over here at 415. At 415 price, okay, premium. I want to buy at that location, but I couldn't catch that. But later on, I have entered at the higher price because I know that market is short going for this higher level. Okay, so I entered at this higher location at 430 and exited at 472 like that. So entry at this location and exit I have made at here, okay, 1042 at here because I want to capture whole move and I also know that market short going for the weekly R4 here somewhere around here at this location. We are also having the weekly R4 level, okay. But market reverse, so I made exit at this place and later on it eroded vol profit if I'm not going to exit this location. So I made exit at right time as well. I'm teaching clearly in the training program that you must have to follow right location, right time, right side and right size for your trading. Then and only you are going to get the right profit. Otherwise you are going to make the loss or you will not get the satisfactory profit. Okay, so this was very first trade from my side, but where you can enter for the safer trade. You can clearly see that we can draw one trend line like this. The base formation is here. So you can go and enter over here. Then this is the 21M trade over here. You can go and enter at this 1001 candle. Go target to the higher levels, okay, or the standard target as per the 21M method. Later on, we have to wait. Why? Because this is the complete base formation. Now in this base formation, we are having one rectangle like this. Let me change this to the 15-minute time frame chart, so you will get somewhat more clarification for the trade. So this is it. This is the base formation, okay, and here this is the breakout candle closing above this rectangle. It is the breakout over here. You can go and enter above this candle high, but at the same time we are having one trade entry based on the 21M method. Why guys? 21M method is very safer entries. And sure you can generate more than 1% or around 1% profit of your overall capital within a single trade. With more than 90-95% accuracy. So here the trade entry was activated in this 1222. Okay, target to the higher levels. Now up to what on the higher side? Let me talk you on this Zerodha. Here, this pink line is the weekly level, weekly R4. Why we have to target that? Why? Yes, guys, trading is different thing. If you are going for the intraday trading, scalping, then this analysis is something different. Okay, because we cannot hold our position for the longer time as an option buyer. Okay, if you are going for the intraday trade or the scalping. Okay, then you have to exit somewhere. If you are going to enter at this location or at here, then you must have to exit at this location. Why? Because this premium erosion will make you inconfident. That's why. So that's why you must have to exit at this location. But if you are going for the futures trading, then you can trail. Slowly because there is no premium erosion. And another beauty is this. Kindly look at here. Those who have attended my training program, I have taught you one thing, MTZ, okay, MTZ, the hot zones. So here this weekly level is there, daily R5 is there. So this is the confluence area. And market was making clear-cut indecision at that level, and it rejected. So 21M trade at 1M trade is activated over here. The weekly level is here, okay, at 630, 41,630, around that, and around that market is moving on the higher side, so you can trail from now, trailing and trailing. So by trailing you can go for the higher side and probably exit over here. Why? Because this red candle is engulfing this previous green candle, so exit over here. 120 point movement, and this is very good. 60 point by considering the delta 0.5, but I think you will get delta of 0.55 or more than that based on your strike price. So that's a good profit, and with satisfactory, with safer trade, with lower stop losses and higher profit. The risk reward ratio will be very much favorable for you. Let me draw for you. What is the risk reward over here? Based on my method here, SL is this 30 point, and as this is our exit over here. What is the risk reward now? 1 ZEM 4, 3.94. So it is 1 ZEM 4. Who is going to provide you? I am here. Now later on there is no such trade. Yes, base formation is there, clear-cut indecision is there. We can clearly see from this MTZ is there. So market is forming the indecision over here. And later on we have to avoid the trading at this location. Why? Bas नहीं करना है ट्रेडिंग, नहीं करना है, दैट्स इट. ओके, कहीं पर ऐसा तो लिखा नहीं है कि भाई चलो आपको ट्रेड करना ही चाहिए. सो यू कैन अवॉइड दैट. Now from the higher time frame, from the 15-minute time frame, it is breaking this 20 EMA. The initial trend was generated. Now something more than the intraday trading analysis. Now market was forming one trend on the higher side, but it got rejected, and it is also breaking this very decisive 20 EMA in the 15-minute time frame chart, and it is close below that, and the post market settlement price was for 41,468. Okay, so that is also below this 20 15M. So we have to wait for the tomorrow's market opening, and tomorrow's market opening will suggest you whether this is going to be on the higher side or it may reverse on the lower side. Now if it is going to reverse on the lower side, what we have, let's analyze. This trend line I have drawn from this high and today's high. That is one trend line. This is the inverted head and shoulder trend line. This is another trend line on the lower side which I have drawn. Okay, so by combining this trend line and this on the higher side, there is nothing but the triangle. If you are not interested in this, then you can shift to this as well. That is also being okay. So this structure is now looking like the triangle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now as it is rejected from this, let me delete this. As it is rejected from these higher levels, now if it is going to be on the lower side, then what are the support points? This is the support, this is the support. Another thing from the market profile, this is the Virgin POC. Today we are having the POC which is generated Virgin POC is there. Yes, we are also having Virgin CPR on the lower side, but this Virgin POC most important because the Virgin POC is the actual traded level, actual. So that is why POC is more important than the CPR. Now, as market is going for the lower side, then this might act as a support. This breakout point might act as a support. Okay, from where market may reverse. As from the two session relationship, R factor is also getting reduced. It is only just around 0.6% like that. So that is also favorable. So we have to wait for the tomorrow's market opening. And from the market profile, we are having the very big distribution over here. This is the distribution. Here also at this location we are having the CPR. For the tomorrow, we are having the CPR at this location around this, and also we are having this value area low. So this location is very much important, and at this location we are also having the PDC, means today's market closing is also at this location. POC also here. So this range is very much important for the tomorrow. If market is going to break this, okay, and if market is opening below this, okay, below the PDC and below this CPR, then we have to look for this Virgin POC, the breakout level, okay, from where we may expect some reversal or retest trade like that. Else what we have to do? Wait for the morning view. tomorrow morning. Thank you guys for watching this video.